to a WTI. Do you find yourself struggling to make healthy meals at home because you don't have enough time? I have the perfect solution for you, and it's here. I love the touchscreen slow cooker by Drew Barrymore. First of all, it is beautiful. I love that white color with the golden handle on the lid. And even though it's touchscreen, it's super easy to use, so don't feel intimidated. It has 5 functions. You can either preset it for slow cooking meat, poultry, stew, soup, or chili. And you can also manage the setting to either have it at low, high, or keep warm once it's cooked. Right here, I chose to make a very simple lentil soup. I chopped everything, literally everything took me less than 15 minutes. This is for 7 people, but my husband and I love leftovers, so I just made a bunch of lentil soup. Once I was throwing everything in there, I was done. I made sure to set it for 8 hours. I just wanted it to cook slow for all those flavors to come out and to just taste delicious. I made sure I mixed it when I was around 3 hours, 4 hours cooking in. And once it was done, I served it. I so appreciate the stainless steel lid rest because sometimes I don't know where to put my lids. Sometimes they're hot, but it's just so simple to place it there while you serve it. This soup came out so delicious. It's high in nutrition. I wasn't in the kitchen for hours. Once I cooked it, I served it. We enjoyed it. And this slow cooking dish, the ceramic, it's so easy to wash. I highly recommend it. So there's no need to be in the kitchen for hours and hours. Just throw everything in here, patiently wait, and you'll have the most delicious meal and nutritious for you and your family. And that is just my point of view.